back again. Mr. Michael. Now I'll be teaching science. And the topic I'll be taking now is the human joint. The human joint. That is what I'll be teaching now on science for grade 5. A joint is a place in the body where two or more bones meet. I repeat. A joint is a place in the body where two or more bones meet. This simply means these joints that I'm talking about now are places where two bones in our body meet together. That is what we call joints. Then examples of places where joints can be found in the body are, yes. So examples of places where joints can be found in the body are, number 1, the neck. The neck. Neck. That is number 1. Neck. There is joint here. You see where I'm doing my neck? There is joint here. There's joint here. That is why I'm able to twist my neck. Then the second one is the waist. The second one, waist. You see? Waist. There is joint here. That is why I can, can see the way I'm doing. It's because there is joint here. Then the third one, shoulders. You can also find a joint here in the shoulder. There's joint there too. Another place again is, okay, I've mentioned that before. So another place, so these are neck, waist, shoulders. Fingers, there are also joints in our fingers. You see my fingers? You see, there are joints there. I will explain further later. Then toes, in our toes too, there is joints there. Knees, there is also joints there. Elbows, there is also joint there. You see? Now we have types of joints. We have types of joints. Then the types of joints that we have 2 types of joints. Number 1 is movable joints. The second one is immovable joints. Movable joints and immovable joints. That is, number 1, movable joints. These are places in the body where bones that meet together can still slide. What by slide is, I can still make a movement on each other. So now, examples of movable joints. Number 1 is ball and socket joints. See, ball and socket joints, where you can see ball and socket joint is on the shoulder. You can see the shoulder here. You can see the way I'm doing my hand, there is joint here. Number 1, that's movable. The second one is the hinge joints. You see these hinge joints, where you can see hinge joints are, number 1, toes, in our toes. I will shoot. There's a diagram coming up that I'm going to show to you for more illustration. Then fingers, knees, and elbows. These are where you can find hinge joints. Then the third one is the pivot joint. Pivot joint. Where you can see the pivot joint is here in the neck. You see? When you do like this, it's because there is a joint here. That is why you can shake your neck. Then the fourth one is the gliding joints. Gliding joints. Gliding joints can be found in the waist, and ankles. These are where you can find gliding joints. So the second type of joint is the immovable joints. These immovable joints, these are joints where 2 or more bones are fixed together. This immovable joint is, there are joints in our body where they don't move. They are just there, stagnant. You see? That's the difference between the movable joints and the immovable joints. Movable joints, there is movement in movable joints. Where immovable joints, there is no movement. Let me repeat myself again from the beginning so that you can understand more on this topic, the human joints. I said that a joint is a place in the body where 2 or more bones meet. That is a joint. A joint is a place in the body where 2 or more bones meet. Then I said examples of places where joints can be found in the body are, number 1 is neck. Number 2, waist. Number 3, shoulders. Number 4, fingers. Number 5, toes. Then another one, nails. The last one, elbows. These are places where you can see joints in the body. Then I also mentioned something that mentioned of the types of joints that we have. I said we have two types of joints. One is movable joints, while the second one is immovable joints. Immovable joints. So these are the two types of joints that we have. Then I also explained the immovable joints. I said movable joints, these are places in the body where bones that meet together can still slide on each other. That is where the movement comes from. Because if they join together, they can still, slide on each other and make movement. Then I also make mention of examples of movable joints, where I said, number one, I make mention of ball and socket. Ball and socket joint. Where can you see ball and socket joint in the body? That is the shoulder. You can see ball and socket in the shoulder. You see? Then the second one is the hinge joint. Hinge joint. Where can you see hinge joints again in the body? Because you can see hinge joints in the toes, find them in the toes, fingers, nails, and elbows. So these are places where you are going to see hinge joints. Then the third one is the pivot joint. This pivot joint again, where can you see pivot joints in the body? Is in the neck. You see, for nodding, you see, you nod, especially for footballers and other athletes that make use of the hair. You see, it's because there is joint. That's why there is movement here. Then the fourth one is the gliding joint. Gliding joint, where is gliding joints in the body? The waist and ankles. Then the second type of joints which I made mention is immovable joints, where I said these are joints where two or more bones are fixed ligaments. That is, there's no movement there, they are fixed. So this is the second type of joint. Now I'm going to show to you now for the diagram. I'm going to show a diagram now for more illustrations. Thank you very much. As you can see,
there are two of them. This one, see this one.
This one will be the down. Okay, this one is.
Thank you very much. As you can see on the screen, this is a skeleton of a human body. And I'm going to show you places where joints are in the body. Firstly, I made mention of the ball and socket joint. I told you that places where you can see joints in our body. Number one, you can see joints here in the neck. There is joints here in the neck. Another place you're going to see joints in our body is here, the shoulder. There is also joints here, you see. Another place you're going to see joint is another joint here, you see. There is a bone here joining with this. You see, in this shoulder here, there is a bone here joining with this place. So I'm going to name, I'm still going to mention the names of those joints, but I just want to make an illustration first for you to know where joints are in the body. Another place where there is joints, you see, the fingers. There is joints here, there is joints here, there is also joints here. Another place is here, there is also joints here. There is also joints in the nail, and there is joint also in the toes. So these are places where joints are in the body. So now I made mention that joints, which I said in types of joints, I said the movable joint, which I said, example one is ball and socket joint. This is ball and socket joint. This is where ball and socket joint is. The shoulder here, this place, is where ball and socket joint is. Then the second one, which I said, the in joint, which I said in joints can be found on the toes here. This is another example of in joint. This is where you can see in joint. These are our toes here. There are joints there. It's in joint. Another place is the fingers. It's another place. There is joint here too. It's also called in joint. It's another joint here. I also made mention of the nails. Here, you can see there is also joint here. It's one bone here coming from up. It's another bone here. So meeting here. You see these bones, two bones are moved together here. There's joint here also. I mentioned, made mention of another place where joint is. I said elbow. You see, this is the elbow. You see, there is another joint here too. This is our head. There is joint here too, where two bones meet together. You see, all these places, like the shoulder, the shoulder joint, which is the ball and socket, you see, it's because there is a joint here. That's why, you see, I can move, you see, it's because there is joint here. That is why I can move my hand, you see, it's because there is joint, you see, yes, that is a ball and socket joint. And also the joint in the neck here, there's also joint here for nodding, you see, it's because there is joint here. That's why I can, you see, nod my head. So these are places where joint can be found in the body. So please don't forget, and you should take note of all these. The neck, the shoulder, the fingers, the elbow, the knees, the toes. These are places where joints can be found in the body. So I believe with this illustration, yes, with this illustration on the screen, I believe you have more knowledge now on where bones can be found in the body. Thank you very much.